In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revoke a Discord invite link. If you've shared an invite and need to stop new people from joining, revoking that link is the simplest and most reliable way to lock things down. Before we begin, make sure you have the right permissions on the server, typically Manage Server or Manage Invites. If you don't see the options I mentioned, you may need to ask a server moderator or admin to do this for you. Start by opening Discord and going into the server where the invite was created. This is important because invite links are tied to a specific server and you can only manage the ones for the server you're currently viewing. At the top left, click the server name to open the drop-down menu, then select Server Settings. This takes you to the hub where all server configuration lives. In the sidebar, look for Invites. On some versions of Discord, you'll find it under User Management, then Invites. Open that, and you'll see a list of all active invite links that currently work for your server. Take a moment to review the list. You'll typically see details like who created each invite, when it was made, how many times it's been used, and whether it has limits or an expiration time. This helps you pinpoint the exact link you want to disable, which is especially helpful if several invites were created for different channels or events. When you've found the invite you want to stop, click the X icon next to it. It may be labeled Revoke or Delete, depending on your client. Discord will prompt you to confirm. This is a safeguard to make sure you don't remove the wrong link by accident. Confirm the action, and that invite is immediately revoked. What happens next? Anyone trying to join using that specific link will no longer be able to enter your server. Current members remain unaffected. Revoking a link only blocks new joins through that link. If the invite was shared publicly, consider posting a quick notice that the old link is no longer valid, and if needed, share a fresh one afterward. A few quick tips. If you don't see an invite you're expecting, it may have already expired, or you might not have permission to manage invites created by others. On mobile, the path is similar. Open the server's menu, go to Settings, then Invites. And if you ever need to clean house, you can revoke multiple links from the same invites page. That's it. Open the server, go to Server Settings, head into Invites, revoke the link, and confirm. You're all set.